Now we're going to the I forgot the name again. The museum to see the Sigale Gale, which is the most
Sigale Gale.
Sigale Gale.
Sigale Gale.
The most important one here.
This one.
Let's see. Let's see. So we are at Hutabolon Simanindo Batak Museum, which is like this is the old example, basically example of the old house in here. Well, over there is a house for the king's family, and this is like I don't know how to call that, like the soldier. So yeah, they have different colors like white, black, and red. Which is like white represent of the heaven, red is represent the earth, and black is represent of the hell.
3 times, right?
Yeah, 3 times.
So now we're walking to the tomb of the king, and now we're taking a shortcut to this way.
Number 4, 5, and 6 here people, and the people now are already all Christian. My kingdom, the friend all the know. And the lizard, every time I go everywhere, I see the lizard can for living, can adaptation, looking for life. I think so. I don't like it. Just have one family name, have family name together live here. To next time cannot to the married because already of the law, yeah. And now I.
Welcome to viewpoint of Danau Toba.
photo or this video?
Video.
So you guys use this for video?
Hmm?
You guys use it?
So behind me is the Lake Toba, and over there is the waterfall, the Sipiso Piso waterfall. We can't exactly see it from here, but maybe just a little bit. And way down there, and then it'll be somewhere there. This is their expression. Yeah. Based on discussion, Rubén said it's about 300 meters, more or less.